Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a wig transformation. So get into this before and after video clip. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys what I did to transform this wig. FYI, I did not bleach the knots and I did very little plucking. So yeah, I'm gonna need y'all to get into it and keep on watching. Alright, hey girls, so before we actually get into the install tutorial, I want to share with you girls what the parting space is giving. So this wig comes with 6 inches of parting space, and it does not come with a pre-plucked hairline or bleached knots. Now I did not bleach the knots, nor did I go in and pluck the hairline, because I wanted to show you girls what the wig looks like straight out the box and what you can do to transform this wig. So this is what the parting space looks like. As you can see, again, is no pre-plucked hairline and no bleached knots. So what I'm going to do is go in with a pair of tweezers while the wig is on my head and lightly pluck the hairline, but making sure I'm moving the tweezers back and forth so that I don't get a bald spot. And see the difference that that little bit of tweezing to the hairline does. And because this is going to be a middle part bob, what I'm doing is just focusing on the front, or like right beside the part, when it comes to plucking the hairline, because you're not going to be able to see anything else. So I mean, I don't even want to waste my time, but I am now going into the actual part, and I am just plucking the part just to try to get rid of some of the black knots that is on this wig. Now this lace is not transparent or HD, so what I did was I went in with the spray first so that I can try to get it to blend into my skin, because as you can see, it doesn't really blend just yet, but I'm going to show you girls how to fix that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off as close to the hairline as possible, and as you can see, the lace is blending better into the skin now that I have the hairline pre-plucked and I have some holding spray to help with melting the lace down a little bit. So now I'm going to go in and do some stuff to my baby hairs just so that the wig can start to look a little natural and not so wiggy. So in case your wig hairline did not come pre-plucked, or you don't want to pluck a lot of the hairs, what you can simply do is add some holding spray or gel to a brush and just push the hairline back a little bit, and that will help you define the hairline and the baby hairs to give a little bit more of a natural look instead of a wiggy look when you do not pluck the hairline. So now I pretty much have my baby hairs how I want them to be, and I'm just going to see how the wig looks now that I'm able to cover up the hairline. So I am going to go in with a flat iron, and I'm just going to straighten the hair. So as you can see, the wig is starting to transform. So to enhance the parting space on this wig, I'm going to go in with some concealer, and as you can see, that definitely made a big difference with the appearance of the wig. And then I did add a little bit of concealer right behind the baby hairs, just to give that scalp look, and just also hide like any little black knots that may be peeping through the lace, because again, I did not bleach the knots on this wig. And also you can see the wig transforming once I applied heat to the hair. So I think this is going to be a really cute install, especially for someone who doesn't want to do all the steps that come with a lace frontal wig install. Okay, so now that I have pretty much straightened the entire wig, and I love how it has turned out so far, but I did notice that the hair is a little uneven, so I'm going to go in with some scissors and just clip the ends and try to make the hair even. So yeah, I try not to get carried away with the scissors because I got a habit of doing that, but it ended up turning out really cute. So yeah. So I'm going to insert a side-by-side clip so that you girls can see the wig transformation, how the wig looked before I did any type of plucking or enhancing the hairline, compared to what it looks like now. So this wig from Amazon definitely transformed with very minimum effort, very little plucking, and no bleaching at all. So I would definitely say this wig is a winner. I am going to finish just combing through the hair because I love how this texture turned out, which is adding some heat. And also one thing that I do want to say is flattening the top of the wig definitely helped with the wig transformation because it just looks so good. Look at how flat this wig is. And honestly, I was not expecting for this wig to transform the way it did, but I'm so happy I was able to transform this wig into something so beautiful, and I will make sure I have the Amazon link below. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you girls in the next video. Bye.